How to remove text from video in CapCut PC. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Open up your CapCut application or just go ahead and log into your CapCut website. You'll be redirected right here. Now, if you have just edited the text on your video, you can just tap on the text and hit the delete icon to remove the text from your video. If not, and if it's a pre-saved video, let us assume this is, you will not be able to just tap on the text and delete it. So for second step, go ahead and trim the video by pulling the video inwards. Now if you go ahead and give it a play, you will see your text clip has been trimmed. Now I have removed the text here because I have the edited one right here. Now the third is to overlay on top of this text. You can overlay a background matching your video background. In this case, I can overlay here with a black background or any of a sticker. If you cannot simply remove the text from your video, you can always hide the text. And that is how you'll be able to remove text from video in CapCut PC. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.